The Honda Gold Wing GCT 2026 is one of the most anticipated luxury touring motorcycles set to make waves in India. Known for its unparalleled comfort, cutting-edge technology, and powerful performance, the Gold Wing has always been a favorite among touring enthusiasts. The 2026 model brings several upgrades that make it even more appealing. With a refined design, advanced features, and enhanced ride dynamics, this bike promises to redefine long-distance touring in India. The Indian market has been eagerly waiting for this update, and Honda seems to have delivered a machine that exceeds expectations. Under the hood, the Honda Gold Wing GCT 2026 retains its legendary 1833cc flat-six engine but with improved tuning for better efficiency and smoother power delivery. The engine produces a robust 126 horsepower and 170 Nm of torque, ensuring effortless cruising on highways and confident overtaking. Honda has also worked on reducing vibrations, making the ride even more comfortable for both the rider and pillion. The dual-clutch transmission (DCT) option continues to be a highlight, offering seamless gear shifts and reducing rider fatigue on long journeys. For those who prefer a more engaging ride, the manual transmission variant is also available. One of the standout features of the 2026 Gold Wing GCT is its upgraded suspension system. The bike now comes with an electronically adjustable suspension that automatically adapts to road conditions and riding style. Whether you are navigating city traffic or carving through mountain roads, the suspension ensures optimal comfort and stability. The bike also features a lower seat height compared to previous models, making it more accessible to a wider range of riders. The ergonomics have been fine-tuned to provide a relaxed riding posture, reducing strain on the back and shoulders during extended rides. Technology has always been a strong suit of the Gold Wing, and the 2026 model takes it to the next level. The infotainment system now includes a larger 7-inch TFT touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Riders can easily access navigation, music, and calls without needing additional devices. The bike also features a premium audio system with speakers integrated into the fairing and saddlebags, delivering crystal clear sound even at high speeds. Honda has also added a new blind spot monitoring system, enhancing safety during lane changes and highway riding. The design of the Honda Gold Wing GCT 2026 is both sleek and functional. The full LED lighting system not only looks modern but also improves visibility during night rides. The aerodynamic fairing has been redesigned to reduce wind buffeting, ensuring a quieter and more comfortable ride. The bike comes with spacious hard saddlebags and a top case, offering ample storage for long trips. The overall build quality is top-notch, with premium materials and attention to detail that reflect Honda's commitment to excellence. In India, the Honda Gold Wing GCT 2026 is expected to be priced competitively, making it a strong contender in the luxury touring segment. While exact pricing details are yet to be announced, it is likely to be positioned as a premium offering, catering to discerning riders who value comfort, technology, and performance. Honda is also expected to offer attractive financing options and after-sales support to make ownership more accessible. The bike will be available through select dealerships in major cities, with test rides expected to begin soon. The launch of the Honda Gold Wing GCT 2026 in India is a significant milestone for touring enthusiasts. With its blend of power, comfort, and advanced features, it sets a new benchmark in the luxury motorcycle segment. Whether you are planning a cross-country trip or simply enjoy the thrill of riding a high-performance machine, the Gold Wing GCT 2026 is designed to deliver an unmatched experience. Keep an eye out for official announcements from Honda regarding bookings and availability, as this is one bike you won't want to miss.